Alright guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be taking a look at the lighting tool. Right here in this tab here, we can just select it here and get to the lighting tool right here. The other thing you can do is go into the JL Create and then go into this button right here, lighting tool, same thing. And we have the same thing here. Okay, so we'll close this out for now and we'll take a look at what we have here. So in here, right here, we have selected none. We don't have any selected lights. And if we select one light here, let's just do this one. Now we could see what is currently selected and what kind of parameters we have on that light. So we have a point, we have a temperature, and we have the intensity here and a couple different other sliders as well. So what's great about this is that if we select, for example, if we get all this, we can select all the lights. We can see that they populate here. And if we select, let's turn some lights off. So what we can do for now is just disconnect these here and work on these solo. So if I click on rectangle, that changes into a rectangle. Point, whichever one you have selected, that's what it would change to. All right, so we'll switch it back to point. Let's turn this one off. And we could see here we also have different colors. So we could change them as well here or select a custom color. Then if we click on the temperature, it switches. And then we have the 1800 Kelvin, 2500, and so on. And then we have the slider here where we can push it a little further, and that works dynamically. Then the other thing we can mess around with is the intensity. So right here we have the intensity slider. We also can use exposure like that. And then in this light, there's really not much that we can scale. So we can switch to rectangle and we can change the width of the light here, the height. If we're working with a sphere, we can use the radius. Cylinder, I believe, is radius as well. And then disk works with radius as well. So we'll switch it back to point. And then let's see what else we can do. So the other thing we can do is have two lights selected, and we could change those at the same time when we click on different things. And then there are different sizes of the radius right now, but if we use the slider, they'll pop back because we have both of them selected. So we'll do like a orangey, bring it up. All right, and then we could connect another light here. Let's connect all the lights back of the lights so you can have more room in your interface to work on the light. You have another parameter pinned. You don't have to worry about selecting each light and then going into each one, because you can just select the light here and then change the settings rather quickly. The only thing you don't have access to is like getting HDRs and things like that. But, you know, for the most part, like you can do a lot with just this interface here. Change different colors, change the light type. And then as well as when we click on each one, the node changes color. And if we get into the temperature, it actually writes a comment so you could see what color temperature it is. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button. And if you would like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. This is George, and I'll see you guys on the next video.